In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a lot of money with a platform that many of you have never seen before. This will work no matter where you are from because it's available worldwide, and if you pay attention until the end, I'll show you a bonus platform that will allow you to make money without doing any work at all. So make sure to keep on watching. Before we start, I'd like to introduce you to our channel. Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we provide strategies and ideas to help you reach financial independence. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment below or press the notification bell to be notified anytime we release a new video. With all of that said, let's get started on this new technique. As I mentioned before, I have a big bonus near the end of this video. In fact, this entire strategy is pretty simple and it doesn't really require much effort other than watching this video until the end. Anyway, the main platform we will use today to get paid is called Superpayme. Many of you probably haven't heard of this website before, but it's a place where you can make money by doing different tasks. For example, you can do surveys, offer walls, and other things like that to get paid. And this website has some pretty good features compared to its competitors. On the right side, we can see a few of these benefits. You will be paid in less than 24 hours, which is excellent because many other sites make receiving money appear to be a difficult procedure that takes a long time, when in reality it doesn't really have to. With Superpayme, you won't have to wait for days to get paid. Also, you can see below that they have low cash out threshold. This means that you don't have to make like $100 before you can withdraw your money, which is a good thing that many other sites don't offer. On other sites, you have to make ridiculous amounts of money before you can withdraw it, but that's not the case here. This website also has a bunch of cool content that you can enter, which isn't too special for a website like this, but is definitely a nice addition. Below that, you'll notice that they provide 20-cent sign-up bonus. This isn't particularly unique for a site like this, but it's still a good option. Finally, I'll mention the referral program, which is fantastic and can be seen in demo later in this video. Anyway, before I say anything else about this website, let me show you the proof that it works and it will actually pay you. Many websites like this one are absolute scams, so many of you are probably skeptical, and rightfully so. First of all, on this website called reviews.co.uk, the first thing you'll notice is that you can sign up for a free account. You can see reviews about different websites like Trustpilot, which I've written about many times, and as you can see here, Superpayme has great reviews and a 4.8 star rating from over 1,200 reviews. This does not only show that it's a real website, but also a very good one. It has a lot of reviews, which means that it's almost impossible for it to be even slightly bad. The second thing I wanted to show you guys before proving this site's legitimacy is the payment proofs that can be found on the actual website. As you can see, people from all over the world are getting paid through this website on a daily basis. And they are getting paid using PayPal. If you're not a fan of PayPal, you'll still appreciate this site because they offer various payment options. As you can see, they accept Tango Card, Amazon, Skrill, and even Bitcoin, which is extremely cool. But before we proceed, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Anyway, now that we've gotten that out of the way, let me show you what you need to do to get paid through this website. You can either click Join Free Today right here, or Join Free Today on this website's homepage. This will take you to this page where you'll need to fill in some basic information about yourself, such as your first and last names, email address, username, and password. By the way, if you want to know which countries are accepted, you can click here to find out. I won't go over this because I don't want to make this video too long. When you fill out all of your information on this page, you'll need to check 3 boxes to sign up for the website. This one here, and finally this one right here. And then click on Create Account below. Once you've done that, they'll ask you to go to your Gmail account to confirm that the email address you entered is yours. Once you've done that, you'll be able to log into your new account on this website and start getting paid for doing things like surveys, offer walls, and you'll be able to track your earnings here. With all of that said, I know that many of you will be thinking, but that's not much money. And you'd be right. You can't make a lot of money doing things like surveys, and they can get boring after a while. This is where the bonus strategy comes in. A strategy that will make you money without doing anything at all. As some of you may have guessed, you'll be able to get paid passively by using Superpayme's referral program to get it. Just click on referrals up here, and on the next page, you'll see that they offer 25 commissions for every referral. 25 commissions aren't amazing, but it's better than most similar sites, and it can make you a lot of money if you send a lot of traffic their way. So let me now show you 2 places where you can get traffic. The first is through Make Money online forums. To find them, you can either go to Google and search for most popular Make Money online forums, or something similar. Or you can use the website findtheforum.net to easily find forums about making money online with thousands of members. You can share Superpayme and receive a lot of clicks online. After all, you know that every single person on those platforms would want to generate money online, making them ideal traffic sources. The second way to get traffic is to use a website called Herculist.com. Many of you have probably never heard of this platform, but it is the best traffic source there is. As you can see on their homepage, this platform lets you advertise to thousands of people every day for free. Most importantly, you don't have to pay for this website or anything like that. All you have to do is write a nice email promoting Superpayme and add your affiliate link to it. Then send that email to email list that Herculist gives you. This email has people from all over the world who will want to check out Superpayme, making you money and giving you a passive income. And so if you guys combine Herculist with those forums, you can profit much more by promoting Superpayme than by attempting to make money through the platform survey. And as you can see, it doesn't take any special skills or hard work to make this work. It's literally that easy. And that's it! It's been great sharing this innovative approach with you. And we hope that you get a lot from our videos and begin earning real money. If you enjoy similar content like this, feel free to take a look at our other videos, and if you like it, please hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our videos. So, what do you think about these websites? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as our primary source of income? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. See you in the next video!